K, but not the hippopotamus. A hog and a frog cavort in the bog, but not the hippopotamus. A cat and 2 rats trying on hats, but not the hippopotamus. A moose and a goose together have juice, not the hippopotamus. A bear and a hare have been to the fair, but not the hippopotamus. Now the hog and the frog hurry out for a jog, with the cat and the rats in their new running hats. While the moose and the bear and the goose and the hare are doing their best to keep up with the rest, but not the hippopotamus. Then the animal pack comes scurrying back, saying, "Hey, come join the lot of us." She just doesn't know. Should she stay? Should she go?
Yes, hippopotamus.
But not the armadillo. Good job.
Sweet boy.